Hello beautiful people! Welcome to another session of healthy cooking with me. Today I'm gonna make some Ragi Ladoos. Ragi is a whole grain that is gluten-free and a staple in South India. It is rich in fiber and it helps in weight loss. It is also rich in good carbs, amino acids and vitamin D. So let's get cooking then. So to make this ladoo, I'm gonna take half a cup of almonds. You can also replace peanuts. 1 cup of ragi flour and 1 teaspoon of ghee and 10 to 15 de-seeded dates. So to start with, we're going to roast the almonds first. So we're going to roast the almond for almost 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that you don't burn it out and just toast it for 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm going to roast the ragi flour for almost 2 to 3 minutes till the aroma of the flour comes out. It's very important that you roast the flour before you make these ladoos. Please make sure that you roast the flour in a medium-low flame so that it does not burn the flour. Into the mixer now you can add the flour, roasted almonds, the dates, a teaspoon of ghee which is optional. I also added cardamom cloves to it for some flavoring. Now this is the consistency of the flour after I pulsed it thoroughly. Let's make the ladoos now. Make sure that you make the ladoos as soon as you take the mixture out of the mixer because we need to shape it when it's nice and warm. If it turns cold, it's going to be difficult for us to shape the ladoos. So make ladoos like this and place a chopped nut over it to make it look pretty. And our ladoos are done. Our ladoos are ready to serve now. I've made around 13 to 14 pieces of ladoos with this measurement. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and please make sure that you try this recipe. This is a protein and fiber rich ladoo which can be made in less than 20 minutes. This can be enjoyed by any age group. So hope you guys will try it. Until next video, take care and bye-bye.